If you want to enable your USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we have to open up our settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to our About Phone tab. Open it up, and now find your Software Information tab and locate your build number. Now we're gonna be needing to tap 7 times on it in order to summon our developer options. Our USB debugging option hides there. So let's tap here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and press OK. Now we will get a pop-up message that our developer mode has been turned on. Let's go back and scroll down to the very bottom of the settings. Choose your developer options and locate your USB debugging. Simply tap on the switch to enable it, press OK, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.